Let me show you how to hide any specific picture or video on your Google Pixel 10a. So first what you have to do is you have to go and find your Files app, so on your Pixel. And then as you see, you have this Save Folder option here. If you do not see it under Collections, make sure to click here and Show Save Folder. Then once you click on the Save Folder, we can set this up. So let's set a pin code for it, for example, that we will use to unlock it. Okay. And then we can move files here. To move a file, basically again, make sure to go in the same Files app. For example, let's go in the image if you want to move something. So you would click and select what you want to move, for example, and click these three dots here and click Move to Save Folder. Confirm the pin. And you see they got moved there. Then, for example, as you see, if you go in the Save Folder, it will ask to enter the pin code. And only then, for example, we can see the pictures or videos you have over there. And if you want to move the files back, so again, if you go over here, for example, click these three dots on the image and click Move Out of Save Folder, and it will get moved back to the main gallery. Also, at any time, if you want to reset this save folder, you can click over here, Settings, and Save Folder, and you see you can change the lock for it, or also like reset. That will essentially delete all the files you have in the save folder. So if you click that, basically everything gets essentially deleted there. And you see you have to set up from fresh. Again, all the pictures, videos that you didn't move out, again, will be completely lost in that case. Okay, good luck.